Hello again, it's Cynthia, I am she, and after I made the video yesterday, I slept on it, and nothing came of it, until I got in my car this morning, and I have works in progress in my car. My door is acting like it's going to fall off. So, in here, what is in here? A blanket that I'm making for my sister. It is just one giant granny square. I'm doing each color. I'm just using an entire skein. And it's going to be super cool. And then, in my car, do this one out here. I have a spider. He's already completely made. His legs took me 4 hours to complete. 4 hours just on the legs, because I did it in actual segments. So I still have to decorate him and give him a personality. And then let's go to the back. Here's the original blanket I was making for my sister that turned out dreadful. That is basket weave, which is super cool. But this is another one of those things, and I switched stitches. But another one of those things where it turned out where I started was one length, and then when I ended it was a totally different length. What else do I have back here? I have an old finished hat. I have a scarf that my mom made. And I think that is about it for crochet in my car. Alright, thanks. Bye.